5G's reinforcement, number 1, Darius Days. Coaching the Tropang 5G is City Pampanga, number 19, Justin Baltazar. And at center from Basod, Camarines Norte, number 15.
Kay TNT at saka si Jordan Heading na galing conversion, di ba?
Nakatapatan ngayong Governor's Cup as MJ Garcia gets the start.
But there was a game, he made a lot of three-point shots in the first quarter. No?
Garcia
Oh,
backpedals for that one to score the first 2 points of this game. Maraming salamat, Miss Bell. Well, so far, itong Convergence now shooting 5 of 7 from the field. 0 for 8 naman ang TNT. Another 3, this time from Mikey.
4 daw. So, anong score na? 16-0. Puro 3-point shots ang in-attempt ng TNT except that last drive by ng Batak. They have not been successful.
Heading, trying to get them on the board. Finally, para sa TNT.
And 3-point area. Pero sa drive niya, doon nagkaroon ng madaming puntos ito. Eh, sabi ni Williams na lang.
Front line like that, you would expect Converge to pound it into Justin Arana na napakaganda so far ang nilalaro ngayong konferensya.
Okay.
Pero ginugulat nila, sa labas sila tumitira.
Kamusta? Another 4. Sabi ni Mikey, remember me?
Kobuntin at Heading nag-uusap all the way in the backcourt. Darius Days. Pumunta sa kanto. Kim Aurin. He shot well last time. They go to Pugoy. Roger Ray hanging in the air and TNT is now starting to get into a rhythm.
Ba? Lumasyado rin ng TNT. Ano umpisa niya? 16-0, hindi ba? Ngayon, 20-9 na ito.
Umabot ng 23. 17 nun. So 6-0 run ng TNT.
Ooh.
Off one leg. Franklin buries it.
3-point shot pa.
Kapiskisan. Ito na po ang ating play of the half natin sa atin.
Lakas ng switch ka agad nun, na hindi yung hapon pa sa... Oh, long 4-point shot pa ito.
That's going to be good para kay Jordan Heading. Nambatak trying to slice through. Gets it over to the other side. Kitevis. Over to Galinato. Trying to stay patient. 6 on the shot clock. Nambatak hits a 4.
Tigalawang 4-point shot na yung dalawang kupa nandito. No? So balik na. 26-21.
Nakakao pa. Kitevis is being chased. He misses. Comontin on the trail job.
Yun ang pinaka-importante. Don't give up on your teammate. You know?
Down by as many as 17. Tatlo na lang to.
Yeah, don't expect na ang layup is going to go in. May pumalo, may marunong naman tumapos ito si Glenn Cabutin.
Franklin from the left wing. Got rid of Kitevis. Franklin buries the 3. 3 for 3 from deep. Ito si Jamal Franklin.
Ayan, ito, 9 na.
It's 3 for 3 from the 3-point line. Meron nga lang isang mintis mula sa 4. As Nambatak.
Hindi ka matawagan ng bakit. Bigla eh.
Tungkap na dati ring taga-TNT. Pinasok na ngayon ni Coach Delta. 1 GDL attacking the defense of Aurin. No problem para kay Juan. Gomez Deliano gusto makipagsayo na naman kay Aurin. Took him to the cup kanina. This time he drops it off. Baltasar with a finish. Nung Clark Bubble Rainershine versus SMB, kung nakaisang basket pa sa kanila na sana yung league record, ano?
Sino ang katri? Hindi ba si ano? 3-point play si ano?
Si Heading up to 11 once again, 36-25. Converge really burning the nets dito sa loob ng Ninoy on this Tuesday night.
Medyo masyado silang masaya. 4-1 na ba sila? Oh, 4-1 na sila.
Top of the table as Days finally hits his 3. Sabi ko sa iyo, Doc, 10 3-point attempt per game ang pinupukol niya ni Daniel Days, or Darius Days rather, ang import ng TNT. He's only shooting 33% from there. He's 1 of 2 tonight. Itong Converge, wala pang mintis mula sa 3. Arana daw says, pati 2, meron din sila.
Black shirts.
Arana saying, sa braso daw siya tinamaan. Heading from Halalon. No. Pugoy will get the rebound. Huli ni Baltasar yan. Heading for 3. Napaganda pa para sa TNT.
3-point shot tuloy. Pero it's because of Pugoy, even to the PBA.
Naalala ko yung isa pang wala sa TNT, Doc. Jason Castro. Injured din.
Pero yan, matagal-tagal pa yan. Dahil yung injury niya, nung inabot niya, alam natin, parang tuhod yun. Eh. Alam rin niya eh, nung linabas siya.
Hey, cuts it back. Garcia as Heading hounding him. MJ to the left side. Drops it to the left. Mikey! No!
And Gio with another defensive board.
Gio Alalon making things happen. He gets it today.
Naibigan rin sa ilalim.
Saktong-sakto. Parang nilagay para kay Gio Alalon yan.
Another thing about a guy that's as small as him that can get defensive rebounds, they can push up the ball very quickly.
And this 13-0 run will give TNT their first taste of the lead.
Foul yun.
Franklin is clipped. He'll be at the line for a bonus shot. Yan ang ating GAC game-changing play. Brought to you by GAC.
Si Days nakatalikod, biglang dumating yung isa, wala na pa.
TNT back ahead, 44-43. Tatlot kalahati natin tira sa ating second frame. Franklin inside, goes across. Garcia to Mikey, 4-ball.
Nako, tatlo na. Tatlo ng 4-point shot.
What a shootout mula dito sa nagpalit ng pwesto in their second meeting against each other since that big trade.
May one-on-one kaya tayo. Oh, ito, outside red.
1 of 6. The TNT gets the board.
Gio.
Alalon with his second basket today.
3 points pa.
Bigla tayo nagtabla, Doc, at 47.
Sumanyas pa sa atin. 3 points.
Mikey!
Look at this 4-point shot there by Mikey Williams.
Mikey and Jordan going at each other. Minutes per game. Heading on the move. Launches again. Mintis this time. Abueva kinalawit pa yung board.
And really pushing it up.
Abueva making the tropang 5G look like pylons.
Ibang klase yun, ha? From the backcourt all the way.
Itim naman yung suot, di orange siya. Ba't sumigzag ng ganun, Doc? Gio for 3. Punches it through.
51 all. Nakakadalawa ng 3-point shot ito si Gio lalo.
9 points in total para dito kay Gio.
At tandaan mo, pumasok ito, long one. Parang kitang-kita mo, pasok eh.
Taking care of the ball was also greatly emphasized after 12 turnovers at gusto rin makita pa ni Coach Delta ang pagtakbo, more movement, more ball movement.
9-0 start in the third quarter. Kanina 16-0. Ngayon 9-0. May free throw pa coming.
May pwedeng things. Ayaw rin niya bigyan ng space si Jordan.
Nilag ulit sa kanya. Yan.
3 to shoot. He's got to take this.
Maliit yan. Finally, 2 points lamang.
Sa kanilang franchise history mula nung pumasok ng 2022. Sina Coach Delta wants this conference to be it. It was si Stingray has other things in mind.
6-1 goes to 6-2. Tapos magaling naman drumibol. So pag dinatiin ka sa ilalim yan,
8 puntos ngayon para kay Stingray on 3 of 6.
6-point lead para sa Converge.
Mikey going to work. Inside to Calvin. Pacholens de Abueva is good. Grabing bawian ang ating natutong ngayon. These two teams will meet each other again as Baltasar throws it down.
Because it's down to 10. I don't know if Gambata is aware of it.
I think he just realized it, Doc. Stingray to the cup. That'll count. And one pa para kay Gambata. And then natalo sa Titan at natalo pa sa Terray Firma. Na mga problema sila. 1-2 so far ang record nila. Keith Teves cuts that deficit down to 7.
Santander import for a majority of the second quarter already.
Aurin inside. Goes across. Ferrer from deep. Punches it through.
Tapos Enlex yata di ba?
They have San Miguel, Enlex, and Titan up next. Yung San Miguel sa Sabado po, August 1.
Coach Shot in their last huddle called Kim Aurin out saying, "We need you more than ever now because Jordan Heading will no longer be fielded in."
Previous conference na injury rin yan eh. So, ang dami na eh.
Aurin with a steal. First basket of the game para kay Kim. dito. Play of the game natin to atin sa atin ng Sports Plus.
Nakita mo yung lakad niya ng bata. Kala ko injured.
His confidence para sa Converge. He gets it back from Arana. Justin from one. Arana delivers. Converge is back ahead.
84-82. Lot of time left in this ball game.
Ngayon pa lang, nag-double digit si Justin Arana with 10. Arana, left alone, or Nambatak left alone. He makes a play.
Take over talaga si Ray. Napansin niya. Ano mo, wala tayong masyadong player dito.
Pinapagpag pa rin niya ang kanyang kaliwang kamay do. Lamang ng isang TNT, 85-84.
So nga yata dito.
The tropang 5G trying to gut this one out. One from deep.
Yes!
Punches it through! Grabe bumawi yung Gomez Caliano do. And Dave Dace will tap it over to Gio.
At least he fought for the rebound.
Gio to Henry Galinato.
Maganda rin ni Galinato because from the very first start when he made that shot,
Against Mikey Williams. Aurin drops it off. Galinato kicks.
Nice pass.
Dace for three. 1 for 9. Galinato with the board.
isa pa.
Halalon will reset. Dace again.
Sa dami mong tira, talaga mapapasok rin.
Franklin being hounded here. Nahuli, pero he kept his nose in it. Jamal Franklin with a big hit. Converge is back ahead.
But still a long way to go. Both teams in the penalty.
18 puntos na para sa import na Converge. Halalon trying to make it happen once again.
Ay,
Varilla. Bam!
that was his specialty when he was with UE. Yung panahon nila Suma, kasama niya. Yan ang kanyang tira eh, 3-point shooting.
Halalon now with a total of 6 assists this game. Sama mo ng 5 rebound at 7 na puntos. Baltasar, di makabawi. They go back out to Mikey. Franklin! Bang!
May foul pa yata.
These teams
Playing well.
going toe-to-toe.
Yeah, playing well.
Nambata. 19, as we mentioned, across his number. He's got Arana in front.
Oh,
Stingray crossover. Gets
Wow.
because some of them foul.
Eh, patay na yan pag nasa labas.
Barbecue chicken.
And he got the N1. That's the important thing.
Franklin off the crossover. Couldn't pull the trigger. Arana on the slide. Sinali si Justin Baltazar. Two-pointer is good. Iba ang abante ng Converge. Last 2 minutes at sa atin ng Sports Plus. Franklin, Quintana took it away.
Foul si Franklin dun.
Mikey picks up Stingray. Nambata puts his head down. Teguro Cobontin. No!
Another good
Galinato with the rebound. Put back. Huling ng timeout si Coach Delta Pineda para sa Converge. What a big cleanup job there. Mula kay Henry Galinato Jr. That Franklin planted at the right corner. Mikey inside. Scoop doesn't work. Galinato with a rebound.
Maganda yung switch kaagad dito ni Kabutin, ha? And he defended him all the way.
11 rebounds na para kay Galinato. Nambatak. Through the Galinato pick. 9 to shoot. Stingray.
Yeah.
Hindi maipagpag si Juan. Stingray will force it. Iniwan kay Henry. Masyadong malalim. Tumaba sa ring. Fresh 14.
No need to foul it.
Aurin. Got around Franklin. Here comes Stingray. Same with Converge. Franklin to tie it up. Good! Cobontin gets it over to Stingray. Here we go. Nambata, 3, 2,
Wala na iba
Stingray
titira.
for the win!
Wala na iba titira niya. Wala na iba titira niya.
Nambata at the buzzer!
Natitigan nila kung may oras pa. Pero wala na talaga iba titira niyan. Count it. 3 points. Yun, wala pang kulay. Naka 3 points siya.